If you pull down away from the rake, you'll get that out. So then once you've got that out, you can just transfer whatever's left into the trash bucket and then prepare that hammock to wash. You want to make sure any litter that fell into the bottom, you grab your handy dandy vacuum. We like the Eureka vacuum, the yellow one, to get all that out of the bottom. Because when we spray that with spray cleaner, we really don't want wet litter in there. It's kind of gross. Make sure you give love to those tracks because they will have some litter in there from removing the hammock. And right there in the front